So I think Cody is in his office working on some stuff really quickly. I'm in the garage. We're gonna get ready to get the autoclave on the lifts. He's gonna start welding and everything. So this is gonna be kind of a big project, so you might wanna stay tuned for this.
No. So, Mitch is signed on to be, I guess, full-time-ish. He's still doing his own things.
Yeah, kind of your PA's slash filmer.
He's my secretary, yeah, PA's personal assistant, right?
Executive assistant.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go with that.
So today we got the repo out of here and autoclave time. So I'm gonna get on the lift. And then we're gonna put it upside down on that table and everyone's gonna be like, what are you doing? Just hold my beer, I got this.
Hold my beer, I got this.
Okay, let's roll it All right, so we're gonna get it up in the air now. Hi, Brian. What happened to your truck?
It's yeah, point that out.
Actually, you might not have to. It went bing right there. Anyway, okay, so yeah, he's truck. I bet fuel pump.
You've been a busy dude already.
Uh-huh.
I think instead of Cletus McFarland, I'm gonna start calling you Yeetus McFarland with that one.
Oh wait, there's more!
Let's see how it's gonna go.
It's gonna do something. I'm gonna offset it a little bit toward the front. Because yes, you're waiting for the lid.
So that's like most of the majority of the weight's still gonna be on the...
Not the majority, it's just a lot.
Okay. No, I mean like it's gonna be on the lift, not that. I'm waiting for the comments already.
Obviously, I'm going very slow here because it works.
Oh yeah, there you go. Mad scientist back at it again.
It's pretty shaky. You definitely got to be careful when you move it.
Yeah, I don't think this is OSHA approved.
It's not coming off, at least, I don't think.
Let's see here, I'll try to
get down the whole seam.
Yeah.
You can do all these.
Like you said, I feel like if you're careful, you know.
Well, you know that saying, anything lets the smoke out if you use it wrong enough.
True.
Look at that though.
All right.
Okay, so it's completely upside down.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So this is how we're gonna weld this. So it's gonna be really funny when someone climbs in there and I start spinning it. No.
Oh boy.
Not even that. So I'll probably keep the lift under it for safety in case it falls or that breaks. Then it'll at least catch it. So, but I think we're fine. So now all I gotta do is weld for the next week.
So he's got to start with the lid. So lid has to get done first because of warpage, so we'll let him deal with that. After a long day of welding, you have gotten 2 full passes?
2 full passes. I wouldn't say long day, but
You've been at it for a while.
about a half. Yeah, half. Let's see this. Ooh.
She warm? A little too warm?
You might hear that in it.
Huh.
It's boiling.
Ruh-roh.
I kind of gotta go check it out actually. I don't know why. You didn't put that lid back on, did you?
Oh, there's some water coming.
It's boiling hot. I'm trying to, for now, just get something around it. Trying to get it flowing through here for a little while longer.
Survey says.
Yeah, I felt it bubbling like for the last 6 inches. So I was like, I'm gonna finish. It's like when you're either getting really burned,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
you're finishing, or you're getting like mosquito bites.
Gotcha.
You just deal with it.
You just deal with it. And I was about to say, Connor's finishing up. Just a small couple little holes that need to be filled.
Ryan's got his brakes started. I finally retired my old busted Furet cup. So here's one of them.
Oh, jeez.
So I've got 10 more on order. I think they're going to be here any day. So when Brian gets back from school, we can finish that. And then this is a mess.
Oh, yeah, that's water leaking. So this week, guys, it's just gonna be a lot of him working on the autoclave. There's gonna be a lot of welding done. I mean, he already worked on it for hours today. So we're gonna try to do as many daily updates as we can. Obviously, Connor's working hard over there. Brian's been working hard on the brace. We also have something that we've been thinking about doing, and I kind of want to get your guys' opinion. We want to come out with a couple of different things as far as merch ideas, but Cody puts these like little Love Fab titanium. They're titanium nameplates for, it's when you put them on like your braces, right? So titanium nameplates for braces. And I was like, hey, that'd be kind of a cool like keychain. So we tried messing with a couple of them, and we could definitely make it work, and it does work. I'm using one on my keychain right now, but we kind of want to, maybe offer these as like little keychains. So they're all titanium. We can either do like a burnt, like we kind of messed with this one, or we could do completely raw. We've got about 50 here in the shop. Would you guys like to have keychains like that? Let me know, because we definitely want to look at other pieces of merchandise that we can offer, not just clothing, but other little trinkets and things like that. So let me know in the comments below if you would want one, and let's see what we can do to make that happen. But other than that, we'll keep you updated as much on we can on the autoclave, as well as Connor and what Brian's doing. So stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one.